Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In this video, I'll be telling you about how to install add-ons for your Prism Studio Unity project and how to use it. It's very straightforward. You can actually do it in like 1 minute or so. Let's try. I already downloaded an add-on from my Discord server. You can just double click, open Unity package, check all the files. Looks great. Import. Wait for compiling scripts, and as you can see, if you receive these errors, it simply says cannot send OSC packets to the blah blah blah, connection terminated. You just need to simply go to Prism Studio and press connect. That'll do the job. Now let's go to the add-on. Here you have assets, relative, Prism Studio, add-on folder, and there should be a new folder that has the same name with the add-on name. For this case, I have this FPP view add-on. I just imported from there. Now we have this folder, and we have these stuffs. The first one says prefab. This one is actually some sort of an object like this. You can drag and drop. And for this case, I'm going to put this add-on prefab to add-ons object. So it can look like this. And Prism Studio, check if it is connected. And also go to VRChat. Make sure we have Prism Studio compatible avatars. Make sure you can respawn, turn on Prism Studio World Drop, and also, before everything, you can go check if OSC is enabled, press reset config if necessary, and press respawn. Let me do it again. Respawn again. You should not move your mouse. Also, turn on Prism Studio World Drop, VRC lens, turn on, settings. Double click to stabilize to turn off the stabilization, and press Shift F3 to go full screen. Now let's test this newly downloaded add-on. So this FPP view add-on will going to make the camera fly around, just like we do in FPS games. When we go to like spectator mode in your FPS games, we can actually fly around and see what's up. Something like that. I'm going to move the VRChat window to here and stick it up here. I'm going to separate this game window. You can drag the tab, can move around this tab. I'm going to move this Unity editor to my second monitor, just for simple use. Going to resize a little bit. VRChat 2. And let's try. As you can see, I'm now using my mouse and keyboard to control the VRC lens. This add-on makes this VRC lens camera or virtual lens 2 camera to be able to move around with this keyboard by WASD, mouse, or several more inputs. Now something like this, if I press W, it'll go forward, backward, left, right, WASD, and mouse to move. If I press the left mouse click button, it's going to smooth my angle movement like this. So if I turn off the smoothness, it will going to look like an FPS game. But if I turn on smooth, this one is actually usable to kind of making a simple movie, something like that. Also, there's QE, press Q to go up, E to go down, and while moving you can press Shift to boost, a little bit of speed boost as you can see, Also, scroll up and down to increase the movement speed, and scroll down, it will going to eventually stop because the speed goes down. It will eventually it will eventually reach 0, which means no speed whatsoever. Also, you have R and F key to tilt around like that. Well, this is not something preferred at at the start. This add-on is not really, well, what should I say, preferred to use in actual video recording, because it's not an animation, so you don't know what will going to happen while trying to make videos with these manual controls. Well, if you're comfort enough, then you can create some animations with this FPP add-on. Of course, privacy is the first thing you're going to consider. Don't use this to spy up your friends. Without making any camera animations, you can actually simply make some rotating animations by using this mouse smooth and a little bit of fine-tuned control like this. And if you're done with it, we can back to the Unity editor, bring back this, insert this game window to where it was, going to stop play mode. And as I said to you before in the previous tutorial, you can use file, build and run, or press Ctrl B to make an executable so that the program will be able to run without this Unity editor, something like that. We just installed the FVP view, so that add-on will going to work well in this build and run executable as well, and also much smoother because Unity editor is a very, well, not good for the performance like that. As you can see, it performs much better and is also smoother. If I increase the speed and fly around very quickly, it works pretty well. Yeah, that's how you can install add-ons and use those add-ons too. If you guys like this video, don't subscribe and don't like this video. You can, however, check on what is Prism Studio and take a look at what Prism Studio does. And if you guys are up to Prism Studio, then yeah, go to my Patreon, get some uplift or higher tier to get Prism Studio working on your hands too. Thanks for watching.